Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Row Margaux handbag unboxing and review, and this is the chef color in the grainy leather in palladium hardware. Now let's start with unboxing. Let's look at the details of the bag. This is the texture of the leather. Okay, it's very grainy. It's quite similar to the Togo leather with Hermes, but it's not exactly the same quality. And on the side, there's nothing. And on the other side, there is a small embossed logo, the Row. At the bottom, there are 4 feet, the row, and they're not facing the same direction, okay? But I must say the feet are pretty much useless because the bottom of this bag gonna touch the floor anyway if you put them anywhere on the surface. And this is the handle. What I love the most about the handle is that it's so sturdy and solid. It's not something that is too flimsy, so you do feel there's some kind of structure here. I love the details here, and I love the stitching here and there. Look at the back inside. Oh, I actually have a custom made back insert. It says the Row logo here, made in Italy, and there's a hook here, but I don't actually use it. There is a pocket here, which I don't use it either. If I put anything inside, I'm gonna forget it to take it out again. And the lining is made of canvas, which is very fragile. So I actually custom make a back insert. Not only it helps me keep the shape of the bag, but also it's easier for me to get things in and out if I change my handbag. Hands on the side, the buckle says the Row, and here is curve. I also said the same thing in my Margaux 15 review that I really love the curve here. The shape is a trapeze, so it's very elegant shape. It's not like a rectangular where the width here is the same as the width here. So this shape is trapeze, so it makes the bag much more elegant. And the curve here just makes the bag appear more feminine as well, and it has some kind of softness. But the grainy leather, it's a bit rustic, so it has some kind of edginess in it because of the leather and the color, but it also have the softness and the femininity and classiness of the curve and the roundness here. So I really love this bag. So that's my first impression. Now let's see what you can put inside. So I'm gonna transfer things from my Loro Piana Gira bag to the Row Margaux 10 bag. I have my Chanel sunglasses. Okay. With the case, you can easily put it inside, right? But you have to maneuver a little bit because the case is quite bulky. Chanel card holder, AirPod, car keys, lip balm, tissue, hand sanitizing tissue. If you're wondering if you can put iPad, the answer is no. As you can see, the iPad is way too big. But how about Kindle for those who want to read? It's a Kindle, and yes, you can put a Kindle inside, but you have to maneuver just a little bit. Okay, so you can actually put the Kindle here, which I love it. And I feel so secure even though there's no zip, but because you can somehow hide the Kindle behind this curve, so you feel very secure and the Kindle is not gonna shake around in the bag. So there you go, this is really compact. It does feel a little bit heavy because of a Kindle, but you can see you can hold pretty much everything. But the drawback is because of this shape and because this is in sort of a outside stitching, a selé stitching style, so you can't really put a rectangular sort of book or notebook here, okay? So this bag is very suitable for putting small and a little bit bulky items or something flat like the Kindle, but only up to this wide, okay? So you can't really put something flat and wide here. So for your daily needs, if you're looking for a work bag, this is probably not the one unless you don't actually carry any laptops or iPads for your work. So for some people, this could be a work bag, but for me, this is a weekend bag. This is also a daily bag. You can dress up in winter outfits, summer outfits, and you can even put the bag in the coat of your arm easily, unlike Birkin 25, which is a bit more difficult. And because the base is very wide, you can easily put things at the bottom if the things you want to put are a bit bulkier, like my Chanel sunglasses case. And of course, you can unbuckle it, but I don't actually do it because I like the daintiness when you buckle up. And this bag, you can also dress up as well. If you go to a dinner in the city, you can carry this bag as well. You will feel very edgy, but also classy and minimalist at the same time. And some people worry about, okay, there's no zip, unlike the new Marlowe bag, there's no zip here, what do I do? I'm not so worried about it because think about it, Birkin 25 also has no zip, the Garden Party also has no zip. This one has no zip, but I'm not worried because there's a buckle here, and I feel like the opening here is not that wide. And even for my Kindle, look, I can hide it just behind the curve, so I don't exactly feel like unsafe, okay? So if you carry things on the coat of your arm, you actually feel like the things are very secure. And because the base are wide, right, the things that you put inside is gonna be more or less accumulated at the bottom anyway. So unless you have something straight and tall, you want to put it here, and something will be sticking out. Otherwise, this bag is very, very secure. And what I like the most about this bag is that I can even put on a cold summer days or springtime, can easily put the scarf on top, just like this. This is so cool, isn't it? And you can only do it because the top is open, not closed. So it has some sort of relaxed and French Riviera style. Okay, as to why I bought this bag. By the time I bought this bag, I did not have a brown color top handle bag like this for day-to-day. So I love the color, and this is from the 24-25 fall winter collection seasonal color. It's called Chef. The other reason I bought this bag is also I love my Margaux 15. I also own a Margaux 12, and so I thought the Margaux 10 would be something very dainty, classy, enough to hold my day-to-day things. And to be honest, even though I own the Margaux 12, I don't put that much more in my Margaux 12 than my Margaux 10. If I need to go for one size larger, it would have to be a Margaux 15 where I can put my laptop, more bulky stuff, my gym clothes, my gym shoes, right? So Margaux 12 is not that useful for me compared to Margaux 10. Margaux 10 is compact, but it can hold your daily essentials. It's dainty, it's classy, it's feminine, it's everything. That's why I love the Margaux 10. And of course, this grainy leather is also very carefree. This color also goes well with everything. It's a very neutral color. I love it. It has no logo, and I don't really feel like I'm being too loud compared to carrying a Birkin 25 bag on the street. When I bought this bag, this one cost, I think just below $4,000. Is it worth it? Yes, because I use it a lot. Not as much as my other tote bag, but I use it enough to justify the price, and it's so carefree that I don't feel like it has any wear and tear. It has been more than a year that I own this bag, and I carry this bag around 10 or 15 times, not that much actually, but I'm sure that I will carry it a lot more in the future. This bag is suitable for who? First, this bag is suitable for whoever loves the Row, of course. If you really like that minimalist, no logo, if you know sort of style, this is such a good bag to start your collection. I would say if you want to go for a Margaux bag, it would be either Margaux 15 or Margaux 10. If you're more to the petite size like me, I think a Margaux 10 would be better. If you're a bit taller, the Margaux 15 is the better choice, but it really depends on your need. I think the Margaux 10 is definitely the best for daily use. For looking feminine, looking classy, you can dress up and you can dress down. So it's definitely for someone who loves the Row, who wants versatility, and for this particular leather, who wants something carefree and who want to achieve versatile style while looking modern, elegant, feminine. So I would highly recommend this bag. If you could have a chance to get one before it's too late. That's it for my review today. Do you like this bag? Do you own any other color? Are you looking for buying one? Let me know in the comment down below. I actually also own another, the Row Margaux 10 bag in the saddle leather in black color in gold hardware. If you're interested in another review, let me know, or a comparison, let me know as well. That's it for my video today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!